I'm glistening in the sun, turning red like Disney movie. Yo, what up? So today what we're gonna do, I am meeting up with two other stinger owners from the DMWV Stinger Swarm group that has been inadvertently created, you know, from meeting people at local Cars and Coffee and stuff. We're over 100 people in the group now. I think our largest meet might have been like, I don't know, 17, 18 people, 18 stingers. But today is just gonna be 3 of us. No big deal. We're gonna do some kind of social media trial, if you wanna call it that. We're trying to do these social media days where we can get photos of everyone's stinger, group photos, individual photos, whatever the case is. So without further ado, come along with me, baby. So before we get started with the social media day, I want to talk about an app called Upside. You can download the app and it gives you cash back on gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores. And now, depending on your area, I live in the DMV. For those of you who don't know what the DMV stands for, that's DC, Maryland, Virginia. That's just a slang term that everyone uses here. But anyway, you get cash back on purchases, and all you have to do is claim it on the app, and you have to use it within a certain period of time. For gas, I think it's like 4 hours within claiming. But I made over $200, probably like, I think the last time I looked, I made a total of like $205. But I wanted to share it with you guys because gas prices are crazy, and it's always nice to get some extra money, even if you don't get a good deal, so to speak. But you also get referral benefits where you get 1 penny per gallon of gas used or spent by your referrals, and that can also give you some money. So if you are a part of a company that gets gas on the regular, that gas station might be a great spot to do. I know some people who do that, and they make big money because they then refer their coworkers to it, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna link the description. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, and you guys can use my referral code. I really appreciate it if you do use that referral code. But I'm done talking about this. Let's get to the social media part. I'm hopping on the highway right now, so let's go. Alright, so we're at the top of the parking garage. We got Chris and Jesse here. Chris has the Panthera Gray, and Jesse has the Micro Blue, and I got the Aurora Black Pearl. We're just taking photos. We do have a little bit of a scenery and a good day to take some photos and videos. So got Chris on the drone. He always makes me want to get a drone, man. Ooh, but look at that, the freshness. She got lap 3 meth, not the drugs, people. Thing runs mean as quit. Aye. Sound like a million bees up there. Buzz, buzz, buzz. I think it's so cool, man. Yo. The residents about to be like, oh my gosh, gunshots. Yeah. Not sure what's happening. Trying to learn how to park or something? Maybe. Taking some photos in his new garage. What up, Jesse? What up, Chris? My battery on my GoPro, I need a second battery, guys. I'm at 23%. I feel like I haven't gotten much content, but watch me have enough. But I'm breaking a sweat out here. It's like 90 degrees right now. Oh man, that looks nice. I'm glistening in the sun, turning red like Disney movie. All right, so we're gonna test the exhaust system, how we're gonna whatever comparison. Jesse, what are you running?
I have the ARC downpipes and I have the Borla Type S catback exhaust
with a lap 3
ECU and running meth.
Okay. And Chris?
And I have the ARC catless downpipes with a muffler delete and a JB4.
All right, let's get to it. Getting home from the social media day, and it looks like my neighbor got a Stinger. So let me put in the DMV Stinger Swarm Group card so they can join the group. It's clean. Looks nice. Might have me a neighborhood friend. Let's go, baby! Yo, if you're in the DMV and you don't know about the DMV Stinger Swarm Group, look us up on Facebook. Hit me up, leave a comment on this video, and I'll get you in, because it's a fun time, man. We plan cruises, we plan meets, we get together as friends, you know, so yeah. Hit me up, guys, hit me up. Put a comment, baby. There's a dead bird up in here. I'm coming.